Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Dan and I've just come out of the Blue Man group. I have to say, wow, I was really impressed by that. When I'd not known who the Blue Man, I'd heard of them, the Blue Man group, but I'd never actually saw them before. I had a front row seat. I wasn't allowed to film, so there's a kind of warning there. If you look at the back of me, it's a Luxor behind me. It's quite good with the lights. I don't know if you can see it. But aye, that was phenomenal. One of the wee tricks to do is to throw marshmallows about. I'll not spoil anything, but I managed to get one. So I'm sitting there on a wee marshmallow. I didn't get picked for anything else, which is probably a good thing, to be honest. Aye, it was really good. So if you're ever in Vegas and you get the chance to go see a Blue Man group, I'd totally recommend it. It's very loud, a lot of drumming in it, some kind of unique kind of drumming, shall we say. The Blue Men, they don't talk, but there is kind of voiceover things from the stage. One which was absolutely hilarious. If you're ever going to go to see the Blue Man group, don't be late. Do yourself a favour there. Definitely don't be late. Aye, so I liked it so much I got the t-shirt. Hang on. Don't know if you can see it too good. I'm using my stabiliser with my camera. So I just thought I'll just show you. I'm just going on the strip. I'll be able to show you the Luxor a wee bit better from here. It's pretty cool. So, I'll tell you where we're going just now. I am going to try a Gordon Ramsay restaurant. I thought I'd start with Gordon Ramsay fish and chips. I'm going to try a couple of ones, I think. I'll see how it plays out, but for tonight I'm going to try the fish and chips. So it was like my number one food thing to try. Jacqueline is really jealous. She really wants to try a Gordon Ramsay Gordon Ramsay restaurant. So if you're watching this on it, sorry, but I'm going to enjoy it. Just got for traffic lights here. This is the thing about Vegas. See the streets. It's so long you can't cross over, and you've got to wait for the traffic lights. It's rather annoying when you're trying to film a walking tour, you know. So if you look there, you can see the length. So I'm just going to hang about here, but look at that, that's the strip. It's amazing to see. Well, there's New York Hotel. I'll need to go have a wee look inside at some point. Won't be doing a roller coaster, that's not for me. The thing that really strikes you is just the size of everything. The size of the signs. I mean, I'd saw the signs on videos before, but I don't think it does it justice. Yeah. Oh, Dick's Last Resort. I've heard that's quite funny, so I'll need to go there. Now I know where it is. Apparently the staff are paid to be rude to you. So I'd heard of restaurants like that before, but I've never actually been in one, and it's like one I've really wanted to do. So I think we'll be doing that. Aye, I'm really impressed with Vegas. So, from what I believe, Gordon Ramsay's fish and chips is down this way. Down this way and on the right. It's a lovely place. Don't know if lovely is a word. Amazing, for lack of a better word. It's definitely a thing to see. I know I keep saying it, but it is. Gem Grand. Coming up for more traffic lights. I think I'll just take the escalator. I've seen a wee bit of the roller coaster, but I've not seen anything going on it. I don't know if it's still working or what, or if it's limited to during the day. I really don't know. Well folks, I'm just over at 10 minutes. I think I'll just kind of leave it at that. The next you see me, it'll be the Gordon Ramsay. Anyway, so hope you enjoyed this video. It's just a wee video while I'm walking to the Gordon Ramsay's.
I'd rather walk this home.
I'll just finish saying the Blue Man Group. It's got to be seen to be believed. Brilliant, really enjoyed it. So please like, subscribe and share and leave a wee comment. Thank you very much. Bye bye.